Hello there and welcome back to another new video. So in this video, we will learn how to implement the new ink cinematic transitions in Adobe Premiere Pro. I use these transitions in my outro as well as my intro. It is pretty easy to do and I will give you 7 free ink transitions with the stock footage I will be using today in my video. The Google Drive link is in the description down below and download it before proceeding. So without further ado, roll the intro. So once you install and open Premiere, then you will be creating a new project known as Ink Transitions. Once you import your sequence, then what you need to do is import your footage. So I gave you the footage and the cinematic ink transitions in the Google Drive link down below, link in description. So once you install that, you can import your stock footage. So in order to do that, first what you need to do is click on Ctrl+I, which will import, or else what you can do is drag on your footage. So there are two clips, one is the lying at beach and one is the drone footage of the beach. So I will drag both of these to Premiere Pro. So once both of these are here, then what I'll be doing is click on first clip, import it, change sequence settings, delete and crop the clip. Just like that. So simple. So let's see the footage. Is it smooth? Yes. Now let's crop it to over here. We don't need a lot of footage. So once cropped, what we need to do is click on the second footage, lying at beach. So we have the lying at beach footage. Let's crop that as well. So we have something like this, a smooth footage. So let me just crop it from over here. So this would be quite cool now. So now we have both of the clips imported and rendered on the screen. As you can see, it is playing right now. And let's remove the last part. Now let's check this out. The transition is a jump cut. So this is called a jump cut, where you just keep the footage side by side. So that is not so interesting, but that is not the whole purpose of this video as well. So we are going to use ink transitions. So for ink transitions, what you're going to do is import all the files I have given you, ink transition 1 so on to 7. So I'll import it just as I told you earlier, and there are 7 transitions. I will use the third transition as it's my personal favorite. So I will keep it right over here, and you need to crop it because the transition starts right over here and there's nothing going on before that. So we have the transition just like this. So after you do that, just keep it a bit up so that we have place for this one. And after you do that, what you need to do is crop the footage. So over here, just crop the stock footage, because now we are going to use an effect known as track matte. So this effect is used to clear off the whites. So let's drag it on that, and after that matte video 3, because our transition is on video 3 layer, and then composite using matte Luma. So this will make sure that the black things over there are pretty transparent. And after that, what you need to do is just reverse it. And now if we just see this, the black thing over there is transparent, but we don't need transparent. We need the second clip. So in order to keep that, just drag it like that. So now let's check it from the start. So this is very cool. See that wipe in effect? So that is the ink transition. So you will get something like this, and also note that there are many transitions in the pack, 1 to 7. So you can use any of the transition in your commercial project. It's free to use, by the way. So I gave it to you for free on Google Drive, and just see the transitions. There are many transitions which you can use, and you should use just this technique for any of the transition. I personally use this transition for my outro and also for my intro. So I will render this out and show you in a snap. Hope you like this beautiful cinematic ink transitions. Please like, share and comment on this video. I will meet you in another video. For now, peace.